Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ruben here, and hopefully you found this channel because you're interested or you saw one of my videos. If not, this is my first welcome video. We're going to do tutorials on different languages, different developments in so we're going to do some Unity developments, we're going to do program some apps, we're going to do some machine learning hopefully one day, and always we're going to work with Arduinos, get some LEDs set up, always, can never go wrong with that, and more. If you do enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Keep you posted. Anyway guys, have an awesome day and keep exploring. Cheers.